Have you ever felt the need for healing, be it physical or spiritual? There's a profound beauty in the process of healing, an intricate dance between the body and spirit, each with its own rhythm and melody. But what exactly are these two types of healing and how do they differ? First, let's delve into the realm of physical healing. This is a journey towards peak health and well-being, a pathway carved out by the body's innate ability to repair itself. Picture this: a broken bone mending, a muscle strain easing, the body recovering from surgery. Physical healing can also be about managing the symptoms of diseases or ailments, providing comfort and relief to those in pain. And let's not forget the power of physical healing in breaking unhealthy habits, such as those related to weight. However, it's important to remember that not all physical challenges can be conquered. Some may persist, grow worse, or even remain incurable. In such cases, the goal is not to eliminate the problem, but to alleviate the discomfort. And while the power of physical healing is tremendous, never overstep the boundaries of your knowledge. Always encourage individuals to consult their health practitioners when in doubt. Now shift your focus from the physical to the unseen. Imagine a person lost in their faith, seeking solace and answers. This is where spiritual healing enters the scene. This form of healing is not about imposing your own beliefs on others, but rather helping them discover their own spiritual path. Spiritual healing can be a lifeline at any point in a person's life, serving as a catalyst for a higher level of consciousness. It's about finding a connection with a higher power, offering prayers for healing, engaging in meditation, and affirming positive intentions. It's about faith healing and finding peace within one's chosen religion. Just like a crystal that channels energy, spiritual healing can be an uplifting, transformative experience, guiding the individual towards inner peace and spiritual growth. So, in the grand dance of healing, two partners twirl in tandem: physical and spiritual healing. Each plays a part, each has its place. Physical healing is about nurturing the body, easing pain, and promoting health. It's about understanding that while not all physical issues can be resolved, comfort can still be provided. On the other hand, spiritual healing is about nurturing the soul, guiding individuals towards their personal faith, and promoting spiritual growth. It's about understanding that everyone's spiritual journey is unique and that healing can be found in the most personal of beliefs. The dance of healing is a beautiful interplay of physical and spiritual elements. It's a testament to the incredible resilience of humans, the strength of our bodies, and the power of our spirits. It's a dance that we all partake in, a dance that reminds us of our capacity to heal, grow, and evolve.